Whoa, hey, no, but what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. And guys, today, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to fix your PS4 controller yellow light in 2020. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, if your PS4 is on, you want to turn it completely off right now. So turn it off until you hear 2 beeps. That's the first beep. And then you should hear a second beep in a few seconds. Okay, and you see now it is turning off as we speak. So just wait until it turns off all the way. And then once it turns off all the way, we're going to unplug the power cable and try to get all the energy out of it. So basically just trying to reset it, not completely reset it of course, but trying to drain the energy on the PS4. Okay, so now it is off completely, and you want to simply remove the power cable at the back. Okay, so now it's removed. I know the PS4 is off, but you want to hold the PS4 button just to make sure all the energy is drained out. Hold it for about 30 seconds, 20-30 seconds. Okay, so now once you've done that, now what you want to do is plug your PS4 cable back inside the power adapter. Okay, so now it is in, and now what you want to do is make sure that your PS4 controller is connected to as so. And now you want to turn your PS4 back on like that. And you should get the little yellow light on there. And you see now it is turning on. It should take just a few seconds. Okay, so now it is on, and once it's on completely, now you should be able to press the power button on your PS4 controller if it is connected. Make sure it's connected throughout the entire process, and then bam, it's on. You see, it's turned on and it's blue. Now let's go to the next method. This one didn't work. Okay, so for this next method, now let's say that your PS4 is on right now and that it is not connected. What you could simply do is to figure out what's wrong with it. Simply plug it in, and you see, look at mine, look. You see how it's flashing yellow? I don't know if you can see the yellow, but right now it is yellow, and it's gonna like pulsate back down and then light up again. Now if it's doing that, that's mean it's charging, but it can't hold a charge for the battery for some reason. So if it is doing that, that means it's not the cable. But if it is the cable, it'll only flash like once, and then you have to like readjust it like this. You see how I did that? You'll have to do like that. So that means what you could probably do is try to find a different USB cable to use, maybe somewhere around the house, or maybe you could order one for cheap that is directly for PS4, and that's what you could do. And so yeah, that's the second step to do. Now for this next step, what you could simply do is you could just power your PS4 off and make sure the cable is connected and make sure that it's pulsating right now. So power your PS4 off completely again, as so, and wait till you hear a second beep. And now you see him doing this again, and it's basically like the first method, but it's a little different than the first method. So wait till it turns off completely. It shouldn't show any lights at all right there, at all. Okay. This is Show You How. This is. Okay, so now that is powered off completely, right when you turn your PS4 back on, you want to hold your PS button on your controller until it turns completely on, until your PS4 turns completely on. So press it, and then hold it. Don't stop holding it until your PS4 turns on your TV completely. See the PS logo? Don't stop letting go until you see it turn on completely, until you see the blue screen come up and it's slowly completely. So just keep on holding it. Holding it, holding it, holding it. And you see now it's turning on, but still don't let go yet. And once this loads up, you can let go and then press it again, like this. Look, SO, just like that. And you see that comes up. So, but if that method didn't work either, I have one more method for you guys to do. Okay, so this is like the most simplest method that you could possibly do. But with this method, what you would do is you would go and look for the little hole in the back of your PS4 controller. It should be right beside a screw on the right side if you turn it this way. And then what you would do is simply, before you even insert anything, you use a safety pin, or you can easily use an earring, but you want to plug your PS4 controller in first, as so. And while it's in, what you want to do is hold it for 3 to 5 seconds in a little hole, but while you're doing it this way, because you want it to sync with the PS4 while it's connected. So simply hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and you see the light has turned off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then let go, and simply press the button and it should light up just like that. And if I turn it this way, you can see that it's just connected. And so that's the end of this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some informative information from this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And if you have any more questions or you want me to make another tutorial on this, I will. But yeah, we'll be back to show you how.
It was never gonna end, I'm at the top, never descend. Calling my name is going, go to my freestyles be flowing. Look at the girl, she be frontin', won't come back till I throw some hundreds, throw the racks and I tell